Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam and followmytrades.com, here with trade theory on Bitcoin and gold for the beginning of August 2021. So let's start with Bitcoin. So that's where I am now. So I had my take profit up here. It didn't hit that, so I closed the trade out manually. It's actually in a short position right now on the daily. So I'm looking for this to possibly move down. What I see here indicates that this wants to move back down into this consolidation area right here and potentially move. I expect that it will move lower and potentially move down into the 23,188.88 area, 23,188.88. I haven't done any in-depth analysis because the month is just beginning, but I can see there's indications that it wants to move down to at least 23,188.88. So if you bought Bitcoin and you're in profit, I probably would get out. If you're a trader, if it were me, I would get out and then maybe look for a sell position on Bitcoin. And so correspondingly, gold has actually turned long again, and so it got hung up at that one level, the 1817 level, and now it's turned back long here, and it's moving, looking to trend upward, and I can see that hitting up into the 1870.96 area at least. So this is set to move higher. Gold is, which is more of a reserve or safety currency, and obviously Bitcoin is more of a speculative currency. So they're moving in opposite directions. Gold is looking to move up into the 1870 area, and Bitcoin is looking to move down. Eventually, it may be some days because it's got to move back down into consolidation, and then I expect it to hit 23,188.88 by the end of this month. So we'll see what happens. There's a lot of room between now and then, but I just see the indications there, and with everything that's going on with there's a lot with the healthcare situation, the global health situation, and that's affecting economics. I can see how the markets are probably wanting to go more conservative before they get aggressive again. So that kind of makes sense to me. But that's how you create a fundamental story. Side note, people always ask about fundamental versus technical analysis, and I always analyze the market from a technical standpoint because that's like just like doing a math problem. Math is just math. Now the story that you tell with that math problem is the fundamental analysis. So the challenge with fundamental analysis is a lot of times you can craft a story that fits the narrative that you want to tell. And so I try to stay away from creating narratives around currencies or anything that's happening on the markets, because there are things that are affecting them, but none of us knows all of those factors, because we can all relate to a situation where the market, all the news said one thing and the market did something totally different. So that's why you want to be looking at indications of being more of a technical trader, looking at what the information gives you and making your thesis based on real practical mathematical information. And so with that being said, we work with business owners, helping them to build cash flow for their business and for life after business, so that whatever they decide to do, they can do it without risking their standards of living. So give us a shout or check us out on fmtrades.com, FM like a radio station, tradeswithan.s.com, or also visit our YouTube channel, bit.ly/forexfam, is a capital F OREX capital FAM, bit.ly/forexfam with the two F's are capitalized, and check out some of the videos that we put out on some of these currencies, and just to show you what we can do to help you build your cash flow in a fraction of the time it takes working your business. So with that being said, I'll talk to you again soon, very soon, and happy trading.